Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jad. I'm from Damascus, Syria.
And my name is Olivia, and I'm from Ghana.
Me and Olivia are international students here at the University of Denver. We're working with the Office of International Admissions, and we're making this video today to show you guys what to pack when you guys come to Denver.
So a little bit about Denver. Denver enjoys over 300 days of sunshine throughout the year, but we still get to have a few cold months from January up till March.
You guys should also keep in mind that the seasons here in Denver are not very consistent. You get very cool days followed by very hot days. So you guys should be aware of that, keep an eye out for that. So we put out a bunch of clothes here for you guys as a sample to show you guys what we would pack and what we packed when we first came here to Denver.
For warm weather, you should have a t-shirt or a short sleeves shirt.
I think it's very essential to have a lot of these because you're going to be doing a lot of outdoor activities. You're going to be switching in and out of your clothes a lot. So it's nice to have a bunch of t-shirts that you can just pull out without having to do laundry every week.
And to go with your t-shirt, you'd want to have shorts. If you're a girl, and you don't want to wear shorts, you could wear skirts. I don't know how comfortable you'd feel in trousers. I honestly don't mind wearing trousers in hot weather.
I personally like to wear shorts during the summer. You can wear them going to class, or you're going out, or you're doing something active. Also, Olivia mentioned this, and she said that it is very sunny here in Colorado. So I would recommend buying a baseball cap or a hat or anything that could shield the sun.
And if you can also bring along a pair of sunglasses. I don't like wearing sunglasses because they make me look too bougie, but I have a pair of photochromic lenses. You don't have to get those, but sunglasses will do the trick. For your tops, you'd want to have a nice long sleeve sweater, like this one. And that will keep you warm during the colder months that we have in Denver. For bottoms, you'd want to have a pair of jeans or sweatpants that are both comfortable and keep you warm, so that you could go back and forth from class to your apartment being warm and bundled up.
My choice for bottoms during the winter is jeans also, but I think it is very important for guys who are coming here to own a pair of khakis, and the reason for that is some of you guys might have to dress for business or casual occasions, and this article of clothing, in my opinion, works best for both occasions. You can wear this with a blazer, you can wear this with a t-shirt, with casual, so this is a very important piece of clothing to have in your closet.
Finally, you need to have formal clothes because you never know when you're going to attend a formal meeting. In the University of Denver, we have a lot of events that require you to wear formal clothing. So be sure to pack along just about one outfit. You can buy the rest when you get here. That would be appropriate for any formal setting.
When it does get cold, you're going to be running back and forth in between your apartment, your class, the library, all these different places that are going to be very heated. It would be very important for you guys to layer your clothing so that it's easier for you guys to take layers on and off when you're walking into these hot places. That's why I personally brought this jacket with me, which is a light jacket. I usually wear this under my thick winter jacket, and the reason for that is because when I go into warmer places and it's cold outside, it's very important to layer up your clothes for being able to easily take on and off layers and adjust whatever you're wearing to whatever temperature you're in.
You could wear your traditional wear to either to a formal event. You could just pair it with a blazer, or you could also wear it to cultural events happening on campus, and a lot of student organizations have cultural events annually. For example, the African Students Union organized the Take Me to Africa event, and people were seen in their various cultural dresses. So it would be nice to have a cultural wear if you have it.
For our last piece of clothing that we want to show you guys, we decided to choose a pair of shoes. You're going to be walking around a lot on your way to class, on your way back to class, light rail, if you go walk in the city. The weather sure helps. You're going to want to wear something that can withstand snow, withstand rain, and something that can keep you warm, something that wouldn't let the water in your socks. I think that if you're coming from warmer climate countries, then it is more likely for you to be able to find suitable winter clothes here in Denver than you would in your country. So if you're not able to find a winter jacket or winter boots before you get here, don't stress about it. We're all in the same situation. I came here, I learned, and we all got ourselves some winter jackets. Okay, so that was everything you guys might want to consider packing before coming here to Denver. But there are also other important things that you should have on you while you're coming here.
One, don't forget your passport. That's the most important document that you need. In addition to that, you'd also need your traveling documents, especially your I-20 and your I-94.
These documents should be obtained before you enter the United States. They should be sent to you by your school. It would be very important to have a copy of all these documents on you at all times.
That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and now you know exactly what to pack when you're coming to the US.
If you guys are still confused or if you have any questions, please let us know. Our information is going to be below. Again, my name is Jad.
And I'm Olivia.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video.